these are the products that we'll be using today. We're going to use DecoArt Premium. And we're going to add it to the paints until we have the consistency that we need. We have primary Cyan, Cobalt Turquoise Hue, primary Magenta, Cadmium Orange Hue, Hansa Yellow Light, and we have Titanium White from the Americana, which has some of the gloss medium. We're going to add a drop of Dimethicone to all the colors except for the white. Dimethicone 500. Please find the list for the supplies on the description for the video. Under the video, click where it says show more. So this is what is called a dirty pour cup, and we're gonna have a 10 by 10 inches canvas, and we're gonna do what is called a flip cup, and we're gonna put it like this, and we're gonna flip, and we are going to put around, because I like to have these pours thick. Because I like to have a build-up with cells and beautiful colors. I'm going to have at least 8 ounces, I believe it is. It has 7 ounces already in the cup, and I am adding the white to finish with the amount of paint that I need. And if I have any excess on my floor, on my tray, I'm gonna use it for jewelry. And then what I'm gonna do is something that I like to do that is called I like to tilt and sip the paint underneath the white. I'm gonna move this like this to do that. And I'm gonna try to, let me move the paint in here, and I'm gonna try to sip it underneath that. Now this excess paint in here, I'm just gonna put it in here. No waste. Okay, now I like to use my torch. So I'm going to clean this, and I'm going to bring a torch. Now I'm going to move this slowly to each of the corners. And I'm gonna lose some. That's inevitable because I want the edges to be pretty. I have a corner that I don't like, I can always change it at this time. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it like this. And now, it's not with this type of pouring medium, you don't have to torch a second time. So I'm just gonna leave it like this to dry, and this is it. Thank you for joining me. Please come back for more. So here is the dry piece. I hope you like it. Beautiful, beautiful bright colors. DecoArt Premium colors. Have not been varnished yet. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me.